future of the highly controversial CMP corridor is now in the hands of the courts and the Maine Department of Environmental Protection. Construction on the corridor was halted Friday after the company agreed to a request from Governor Mills that it stop the work until the courts decide whether the referendum passed by voters is constitutional. The company claims it is not. This morning, the DEP began a day-long hearing to decide whether the permit for the project should be suspended as a result of the law that was passed by voters, which would make the project illegal. Lawyers for the Natural Resources Council of Maine said the voters' voice should lead to the suspension of the permit, but the attorney for the NECEC said the DEP should wait for the court to make its decision.
The commissioner should respect the role of the courts and not interfere with that judicial process by preemptively determining that the initiative may be applied to the project. At a minimum, the commissioner should not take any action until the business court denies the request for an injunction.
In our view, the commissioner could have and should have suspended this permit 2 weeks ago or longer after the first hearing. Just the absence of the lease across the public lands means that they cannot build this project as permitted.
That hearing continues this afternoon with lawyers from various sides of the issue, and members of the public will get their chance to speak up beginning at about 5:30 today. DEP Commissioner Melanie Loizand has said she will decide on the permit by or before the end of this month. The Maine Superior Court's Business Court is going to hold oral arguments in the case on December 15th and then decide whether to block the new law from taking effect.